Did you know that EBMUD customers can track their water use and sign up for alerts online? Keep watching to learn more about how to use this helpful tool. If you're following along, assessing the portal works best on a desktop browser. First, log into ebmud.com and select Sign In at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Don't have an ebmud.com account yet? Check out this video for instructions on how to create one. Once you're logged in, select See Your Water Report from the main account page. If this is your first time using the report portal, you will have to accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. Next, select Track at the top menu bar. Once you're on the Track page, you will see two main tabs: Hourly and Overview. This means you have what is called a smart meter that provides customers with hourly water use information. You may also see a third tab that says Leaks, if the system has ever detected a potential leak for this account. Let's dive into what you can do with each tab. First, it's important to note that this data is not presented in real time, with a lag time of approximately 12 to 24 hours. The Hourly tab is further broken down into day, week, 2-week, 2-month, and yearly view buttons. Each button lets you control how much detail you see. Selecting the Day button under the Hourly tab lets you see each hour of water use for the most recent 24-hour period. Use the chevrons on the left and right of the graph to navigate back or forward in time. Selecting the Week button under the Hourly tab lets you see each hour of water use for the most recent 7-day period. Selecting the 2 weeks, 2 months, or year buttons under the Hourly tab lets you see each day of water use within each of those time periods. These views are useful to get daily water use totals trends over different periods of time. For example, selecting the Year button under the Hourly tab lets you see usage patterns, like increasing flow, irrigation in winter, and low or zero flow during vacation or other periods of no occupancy. While in the Hourly tab, you can also click and drag the sliders at the bottom of the graph or use the dates at the upper right-hand corner of the page to further customize what time periods you'd like to view. Seeing a gray bar in your hourly or daily data? Occasionally, poor reception in certain geographic locations or something like a vehicle parking over the meter box can lead to missing data intervals. Usually these issues are temporary, but if gray bars consistently appear in your data, rest assured that your meter data used for billing is accurate and can't be compromised by reception issues. Select the Overview tab to get an eagle's eye view of each billing period. Click and drag the sliders under the graph to cover a larger time period, and hover over each dot to get a billing summary for that period. Select the Leaks tab to see a history of leak alerts for the account. Ongoing leaks will also be flagged at the top of the Track page, regardless of what tab you're in. If the system is flagging a potential active leak, select the Investigate Possible Leak button for leak detection tips. Want to change when and how you receive notifications? Select Settings from the main menu bar and then choose Communication Preferences from the drop-down. On the Communication Preferences page, you can customize your alerts and notifications. Please note that all customers with smart meters will receive a leak alert if water runs through their meter for at least 46 of 48 consecutive hours. If continuous 24/7 use is normal for your account, such as in the case of a business that operates around the clock, click How Much to set a baseline threshold that will not be flagged as a leak unless it is exceeded. Additional ways to customize the types of notifications most helpful for your site circumstances include setting high use alerts, bill forecast notifications, and unplanned use notifications. For example, the unplanned use notification selection can be a helpful way to set a daily threshold to catch high use by daily totals. For each of the alerts, you can also decide if you prefer to receive an email, text, or voice robocall. All alerts will be sent to the primary contact info you set for the account at ebmud.com. You can also download your water use data. Under Settings, select Download Your Data from the dropdown. You can download billing data, hourly data, or both. Please note that selecting billing period data automatically gives you the gallons per day, per billing period, going back to the start of the account. Note that data for all linked accounts will download in one spreadsheet. Users cannot customize the download date range for either option. Have more questions about using the My Water Report portal or about data-related details? On the homepage, scroll to the bottom and select Help and FAQs. Need help? Email water conservation at ebmud.com or call EBMUD customer service at 1-866-403-2683.